Are you ready? Day 9, let's go. Simple walk to get us started. Head up high, shoulders back, big smile on your face. Swing your arms with intention. Lift those legs up off the ground. Let's just move with this incredible sense of wonder and awe. Pat yourself on the back for the consistency and discipline you're showing. It cannot be easy getting in this second week. There can be some friction, certainly. But these 10-minute or so sessions, there's so much more than a workout. We are building something here that's incredible, so we can stay youthful, energetic, strong as we age. Maybe a little happier, maybe a lot happier. Oh, let's just move right into it. Let's just start to twist the body. Engage your core here. Keep your arms up nice and high, building strength in the upper body. Oh, the more data that comes through, I'm being more and more swayed that these light, gentle, daily movement sessions are the key to our longevity and health. Doesn't have to be intense, just consistent. And if you can move with a friend or a loved one, even better, social connection. Oh yeah, the happiest, healthiest people have the best relationships, full stop. Ah. Now begin just to reach to the side a bit. Just some movements we've done lots of. Repetition. There's nothing boring, only beautiful. These bodies are beautiful wherever they're at. Silly juice I had this morning, I think. I think it's been a day of frustration. As you can tell, this is not the morning. The mornings are becoming ever more so challenging to get the sessions in with the darkness. Sometimes we overcome a little adversity, build some resilience. That feels pretty good too. A good life is a complicated life for everyone. Okay, backstroke. Oh, if you can get into a swimming pool. Oh, natural movement in the pool, so wonderful. That such low impact, wonderful. Raise your heel off. Look up to the sky, build mobility in the upper back and the neck. Just backstroke. Maybe envision yourself in some beautiful body of water. I'm going through the book right now. It's written by Harvard professor who is the director of the longest study on happiness. And relationships come up over and over. That's basically the takeaway message. The people who live the longest and are the happiest have the best relationships, full stop. And they've not had necessarily easy or simple lives, but it says that a great life is a complicated life for everybody. It's never easy. I think by showing up for ourselves on a daily basis and moving our bodies in gentle, fun ways can do a lot for our happiness. Longevity, certainly. Oh, okay. Bicep curls, hamstring curls. Make a fist when you come to the top. Build that strength in your arms. Great mobility here, core stability. Head up high. We just keep showing up. Maybe you step a little further across if possible. Whoa. Watch if it's wet. You don't slip and fall. Oh, I'm going to be interrupted here in a moment. That's fine. We move anywhere. We're not worried if people see us moving in the woods by ourselves, talking to ourselves. It's okay. We'll inspire half the people, right? The other ones think we're crazy. That's okay. A little craziness is all right. Okay, we got to build strong legs. Narrow your stance just a little bit and squat. The narrow stance squat is so good for hip, knee, and ankle mobility. So just do what you can. real intentional. Just do your best. Go as low as possible. Some days it's more difficult to get low, and maybe it's just like this. Hallelujah. It's all good. Head up high. Pick a spot. Raise the intensity just a little bit. I think I can. I think I can get a little lower. Ooh, I can. Wow. When I think I can do something, I can actually do it. Amazing, right? Whether you think you can or you can't, you're right. Don't look it up. Whose quote is that? I know some people know. Couple more. Oh, nice one. Let's go side to side. Shuffle. If you don't have a lot of space, you can just, this movement is lovely. But if you got some space, moving laterally is really great. For mobility, we're often just going forward, so we mix it up a bit. Reach down if it's accessible. Maybe you can touch the ground. Maybe you can touch your knee, your hip. You're moving, you're here. That's what's important. Oh, yeah, get a little lower. Ooh, I have to move a little gingerly. It is quite slick. I don't want to go down the rocks. That's great. Be really mindful with your movement. Just a couple more here. Ooh, hopefully we're nice and warm now. Just take that same move. A nice dynamic hamstring stretch, but reach your arms out. Feel the strength in the entirety of behind your back of your leg, but reach those arms and point them out. Point your fingers. Feel strength in the shoulders and the arms. Oh. We just want to move with a bit of pace. We want to build strength in that heart muscle. Little intense. That's okay. If you got to slow it down, you slow it down. Wherever you're at, you're good. You're loved here. Okay. Last one. Last one. Last one. Last one. Last one. Step. Open up the chest. Move with wonder. When you bring your hands back, make a nice tight fist. Feel that in the forearms, in the upper back and shoulders. It really doesn't take a lot to continue to build strength, energy, confidence in our bodies. Yes. How about that? Maybe that should be the focus today. What we're doing by showing up every day is building this real trust in our bodies. They're going to take care of us. We honor these precious bodies. By doing so, they show appreciation. By taking care of us, we can trust each other. Oh, okay. Ooh, I love this. Hopefully, nice hinge. And row. Now again, some people are adding weights. I love that we're encouraging each other to add weights and people responding, yeah, I should do that. If adding weights and you have some around the house is accessible, absolutely wonderful. But just without any weights here, got that nice hinge happening. We're building strength in our legs, hopefully mobility that feels nice in the lower back. But when you pull up, make a nice fist, feel it in your triceps, in your biceps, this lovely bent over row. Ooh. Ooh. It's gotten warmer here. Yes. Feel like I might be getting a sweat going. Hallelujah. Light, gentle movement. It is amazing. It's all we need-ish. There's still lots of data to come out. Come on, a couple more. Yes. Oh, let's just finish marching before we take on our balancing exercise. But getting the heart rate up from time to time, increasing the intensity, adding a few weights. I think these things are all good, especially if you can do it in a joyful way. If it's a stress thing, I got to do this to lose weight or this and that, it's like, no thank you. Find movement that you love. Not pressure. We need awe. Not more pressure on us to look a certain way or do things because of we need to get to there. Movement because it's awesome. And just start to add on to it. Lovely, happy days. Let's go to our crane. Arms come up, we breathe in, lift the leg, do your best. Breathe out. Pick a spot, give laser-like attention. Balance, focus, strength exercise, core stability. Oh my goodness, we are amazing. But really, breathe in. Do your best. One more on each side. Do you feel good? I definitely feel good. Laser-like attention. Let's keep building mental strength, the ability to focus and pay attention. Pick one spot. I like this leaf for you. Can you see it? That's what I'm going for. Stand at real attention, real dignity, shoulders back, head up high. Watch the monkey mind. Every time the mind wanders, just bring it right back here. Let's go together. Oof, my mind was all over the place again there. That's why we keep practicing, just keep showing up. Day in and day out, we'll get stronger, more confident, just all around better. I am truly grateful for you. Let me know how the session went. Let's continue to encourage each other and build this remarkable community. Have the greatest day. Goodbye.